spot in probably the whole of the Western Cape, Yzerfontein. Lego.
I got roses in my eyes. She's got a heart full of sunshine.
Welcome back to the West Coast. We are back again. This time we want to see the blowholes. There's a national park we want to visit. And we just want to show you guys why we love it there so much.
Just scan a bit like the finer things in life. Just scan a bit like the finer things. Just scan a bit like the finer things in life. Oh, it's hard to complain. Everything is going my way. No clouds, no rain. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Good times are here to stay. Everything is going my way. Your shape's so perfect, yeah, you got me like ooh, 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 ooh.
The big dilemma, to get coffee or to be the first in line. What are we gonna choose, guys?
First in line. Coffee. So the last time we came to Yzerfontein, there was long lines of cars to get into this national park. And now we've come during the week in the morning and there's no lines at all. So we're right at the front. So either we've cracked the code or there's no more flowers. So we'll see.
So we're going to a specific part of the park called Pottsburg, which is only open for 2 months of the year for the amazing flowers to bloom. The zebra, and what was that other one?
Ostrich?
Ostrich? No, I know the ostrich.
Oh, do you know?
The other one.
Gemsbok. Was it a gemsbok? Gems.
It's kind of turning into a safari.
Chloe's down there trying to get some shots of the zebra and the flowers. And the zebra are up there checking Chloe out. It's a Mexican standoff.
Check out the way this heart is spinning. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Got me nervous with your hand in mine. Every second inching closer. Explosions in my mind. Can't stop. You see the sun is coming up, I feel it too. Dreaming like we're on top. I'm supernova, but the way you make me move, and I can't help but feel so good. Smell the citrus, I'm your witness to love in bloom. Just kicking in your trap.
Good morning from Yzerfontein.
It's our last morning here, and there are 2 more things that we want to do before leaving.
I can feel it now, we're coming alive. Gotta get together, gonna live forever.
I think we found the blowhole. I saw this yellow sign on the rocks by the water yesterday, so we're gonna go and check that out.
There are many rocks with yellow signs on them. So it's safe to say that the yellow sign theory has totally failed us.
Did you see those too?
Yeah, there's lots.
Wrong, but it was completely unfounded. I mean,
Yeah, got ahead of ourselves a little bit. Ooh, let's go down that path.
what we've seen, a blessing.
Alright, so the yellow sign theory is kind of falling. So we found a third yellow sign over there. But it does say gat on it, which in Afrikaans means hole. So that might be the blowhole.
First of all, listen to that noise. There's chicken being fouled. And we are on to the last yellow block. Please be the blowhole.
The mountain goat is back. I walked around just to try and see where we could fly the drone, lost her, and then found her here, halfway down a rock, climbing rocks, as she does.
So we just asked this local who we saw sitting here about the blowhole, and he says there's no blowhole, but when the tide is high, all of these little cliffs start to spurt out water, so it's kind of one giant blowhole. So technically, we did find it. Remember last time we were driving and we saw giraffes on the road? Well, this time we saw camels. So we're gonna go try and find them. And we are literally on the side of the road. It's not a farm, it's not anything, just random camels. So add that to the list. First giraffe, then camels. Everyone should come to Yzerfontein. You're gonna see something spectacular. Okay, we're trying to get a little bit closer to the camels now, so we came down this unauthorized road, but it should be fine. We're just trying to take pictures.
These must be like really important camels since they've got them with such security around them.
I mean, we're literally at a dump site and there's camels and some of the